roller set look. This is definitely not a roller set fail. Thank God.
What's up, cousins? Welcome back. Jumping right into the video. On this night, I was attempting a stretched roller set on my natural hair just to see what it looks like. As always, on this night, I waited until well after midnight to start my hair, and as a result, I only could find one pack of rollers, so I decided to just make it work. I've seen tons of bomb perm rod sets done with minimal amounts of rollers, so I already know the keys are 1, a smooth application, and 2, the separation for maximum curl definition. The only mousse I had on hand was actually one that I wouldn't recommend for styles that need hold, so I'm actually not going to suggest a particular mousse here, just use your favorite. I'm always on the hunt for a mousse that I actually can be loyal to, so while you're at it, drop it down in the comment section. Let me know what your favorite is. Maybe it's something that I have yet to try and something that I can finally love and stick with. When working with stretched hair, to make sure all your work didn't go to waste, make sure you are not heavy-handed with the product. Using too much product is the quickest way to get your hair to revert. Your hair should already have gotten all the moisture and nutrients it needs during the prep portion. The mousse is simply there to make your hair more pliable and able to easily mold around the roller to help make a more smooth and defined curl. Okay, y'all, so I know you like, dang girl, you done already took down half your head, and I'm gonna tell y'all why. After I rolled my hair, honestly, even last night before I went to bed, I really felt like I needed more than 12 rollers, like especially around the bottom. And I just know that that mousse doesn't have the most hold, even though it makes my hair feel really good. So I wasn't expecting this roller set to be anything. I was just, you know, gonna toss this footage and move on to the next hairstyle, because that happens more often than you would think. I film something and it ain't helpful to nobody, so I just go ahead and toss it. I'm pleasantly surprised. When I took them out, I separated them a little bit. I separated each piece maybe three or four times, not a lot at all, because I wasn't trying to make this a style, and it looks good. I didn't even separate this with oil. Like, I didn't even use oil on this side. Let me just go ahead and see what this looks like. Let me just do right, see the hairstyle through. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a little bit of hair oil. And I'm just gonna take these down. So these are the final results, and it definitely was salvageable, right? It's cute for a little dinner or something, just quick look. But with the product that I use, this is definitely not something I feel like that can have longevity. So before you guys ask me, you know, how would I maintain this look, I'm not. I already knew it just didn't have enough hold, and this would be a fro. Okay, this will be back to the blowout in no time. But you know, it's a cute look, so you definitely can get the roller set look. This is definitely not a roller set fail, thank God, because you guys know the struggle is real with me and roller sets. But you definitely can get the cute look with 12 perm rods, and that was the point, I feel like. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Maybe it gave you guys some ideas. Of course, let me know what you thought down in the comment section, and if this was your first time visiting my channel, make sure you subscribe and become a cousin and turn notifications on, all that good stuff. And I will see all you guys in the next upload.